Bon appetit.
Cheers. Hi guys, my name is Mardi Mason. I'm the Ideal Protein Coach here at Corial Health. Today we have some exciting news. I love new stuff. I don't know about y'all. I don't really care what it is. If it's something new and it's helpful, I always get super cheesy and excited. But this is really cool. So we have today, I know all of you that are on plan know what this is, but for anyone else, every day you need 4 cups of cooked vegetables off of our select or occasional veggie list. This is your weight chart. So this has all of our veggies on it, and it has the cup servings and then how to measure it on your food scale, because it is very important to measure your vegetables and know what you're getting. So what they've released, and we actually got ours first, so I got to play with it a little bit today, and it's awesome. This is the Ideal Protein new food scale. Are you not stoked? Look at that. It has our list on it, because if you're like me, you have 6 copies of that paper and they have stains on it and they're dirty or they got lost or ripped. I had to laminate mine and I still lost it. So this is your new food scale. These are going to be available as soon as I can order them. They're in stock. We're going to do a little salad today, so I'm going to kind of show you guys how to work it and how simple it is. But you're never going to lose your measurement sheet again, as long as you don't lose your scale, of course. Which, you know, with my luck, I probably will do that. But another exciting thing, our cookbook is released. So I don't know if any of you are familiar with the cookbooks we had previously, but they were very much French cooking, and I really struggled with finding the ingredients in them. So it was a little more complicated for me, and I really struggled with them. So they were awesome recipes and they were great, but in the little town I was from, we didn't have access to awesome things like Whole Foods. You'd have to travel 2 hours to get there. So this is much more like realistic. Let me see if I can find some fun pictures. Oh my gosh, was that a brownie? Chocolate chip scones. Yum. Okay, let's see what else we got. Potato leek soup. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh. Let's see. I know I saw a pizza in here earlier. I was just thumbing through and I was like, yes. Pizza marinara with arugula. What? Okay, so they hired a new cook. And I'm blanking on her name at the moment, but I know she has come out with some amazing new recipes, and I think that's what this book is. And so I know if you struggle with recipes and you just blank out every once in a while, this would be a great tool to have in your house. Oh my gosh, look at that. Quick stir fry. Anyway, to say that I'm not excited about this would be an understatement, but these will be in stock soon and I will update you guys as soon as I get them in. But for now, let's jump into this salad for lunch, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna show you how to utilize the scale, and we're also gonna show you how to make a quick and easy lunch that you could take on the go if you needed to, or prep ahead as well, okay? I am making 2 servings because I'm gonna let my wonderful assistant have some of it and try it out. We're gonna start with our cabbage. We're gonna weigh this in our little bowl. FYI, we got a little pre-cut mix because we couldn't find the just shredded cabbage. I don't recommend that, just cut up cabbage. This was a pain to pick off carrots. So we've got cabbage, we're gonna do some cucumbers, we are gonna do some bell peppers as well as tomatoes. And we're gonna put it over a bed of spinach, And as you know, spinach, as long as it is not cooked, is actually considered an unlimited item. So you do not have to count it towards your select vegetables. You cook it, you do, okay? So we're gonna start with our cabbage, and then you're just gonna set a bowl right on your scale. And I cheated, so I already pre-wrote down all of our stuff, so I know the measurements. And then you just turn your scale on, and then the light just comes on. Well, I hit the on button. Hit the on button, light comes on, it's beautiful blue, clear to see. Make sure that you're on the right measurement, because it starts out on milliliters, and that's where I started earlier, looking at the ounces. So I had to recut all of the vegetables. So then you just press your mode button, and it's gonna go to your ounces. And then you dump your vegetables in here as you cut them. It stays on. I had to pick the carrots out of this and it stayed on the whole time. My home scale will shut off in, I I feel like 5 seconds. So like as I'm cutting my broccoli for dinner, I've got you know, the bowl and I'm putting them in and the scale cuts off. I have to start all over. It's annoying. So this guy stayed on for a good amount of time for me. The light did turn off, but it stayed on. Okay. So we need 2 cups of cabbage. If you look on your thing, we're gonna need 6.2 ounces. 6.2 ounces on the dot. I'm gonna bring my salad bowl over here. Move, guys. Make some room, make some room. All right. Aren't these cute? I'm so excited about using this. I have never had a reason to use these ever, so today's the day. All right. Just dump that in there. Okay. And then you just place this back on your scale. It should zero right back out to 0, which it did. Now next, I'm gonna do, let's do our bell peppers. So you just chunk these guys in there. And so what I decided to do was split bell peppers and tomatoes and do half a cup of each. The tomatoes are your occasional vegetables, so be careful with those. Make sure you're not overeating the 4 cups per week that you're allowed off that list. I personally notice as myself, if I'm spreading my occasionals out like this, where you do just a little here and a little there over the week, I notice that I get like insulin spikes. So I start to get hungrier because I'm getting those little bits of sugar kind of through the week. So usually I recommend, if you're gonna do your occasionals, do them like 2 cups at a time. Like do 2 cups of spaghetti squash or 2 cups of your green beans. And then that way when you're getting that little elevation, it's just the one day. It's not every single day. But that's just me, personal preference. Everybody's different. All right, so half a cup of bell peppers is 2.6 ounces and we are pink on the dot. I'm gonna chunk these in here. So we went ahead and did some close-ups of the tomatoes and just kind of to show you, and the cucumbers, how to do the scale and from the other views so that you guys can see. We have all of our ingredients together. Now the fun part. I'm gonna use our sesame sauce because this is kind of like, in my opinion, like the Asian style with the cabbage, and I love this stuff. So this counts towards your 0 products a day. You're allowed 4 of those a day. And this is 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna pour this on top and then I'm gonna use my fun little things. I'm so excited. Okay. And I'm just eyeballing this because we forgot our measurement tool, so don't judge me. Measure it at home though, okay? Okay. I'm gonna be embarrassed now if I can't do this. Okay, let's see. Oh wait. I need to use my left hand more, guys. This is intense. Sorry, probably should sit down so you can see me. I need a bigger bowl. Okay, so this is less fun than I was expecting it to be, guys. It looks great, like I'm super professional over here. Okay, ignore that. Never happened. All right. I think we're mixed. What do you think? I think I've made that as messy as possible. How about that? All right, so next is plating. So this could be your lunch without your ideal protein, and you could eat your ideal protein later. One of my favorite things to do with a salad is to pair it with your ideal protein chips. Today we have our Southwest cheese curls Dorado. Wait, I'm sorry, not Southwest cheese curls. Those are my favorite, but they're got sweet chili Dorados. So some people like to put these on as croutons. I'm just gonna put them in this little bowl to have it as an extra next to it. That's just kind of how I eat my chips. Now the Southwest cheese curls that were discontinued, those were delicious, and I would put those in my salad all the time because they were crunchy, like Cheetos almost, and so they tasted like croutons to me, like very, very delicious. Oops. All right, now that's nice and pretty. Okay, let's see if we can't get this out of this bowl into this one without making a giant mess. Ready? You ready? Oh, I made a mess. I made a huge mess. Never happened, guys. I'm like the messiest cook. I'm so not. I'm not professionals. Working on it. We're getting there. All right, make sure I get a tomato in here. Perfect. All right. Oh, did I show that? I did, right? Okay, so I'm gonna plate another bowl for my gorgeous assistant friend over here. This is just making a giant mess. Doesn't matter, because it's gonna be delicious. That's all that matters. Getting all your nice veggies in for the day. Everything's good. Okay, that's enough. I didn't bring a fork. I am gonna grab one so we can both try this and let you guys know how amazing this is and how simple that was. And if we weren't recording it and I wasn't being all goofy, this takes 5 minutes. It's super simple. You can prep this ahead. It can go in a lunchbox. I wouldn't put your dressing in it ahead of time, obviously. They have those awesome Dollar Tree little silicone fillable salad dressing things. They're awesome. I love them. They also have mini salt and pepper shakers that I put my Ideal Protein salt in, as well as other seasonings that I use for cucumbers when they're on their own. I'm gonna pop off and grab the forks real quick. All right. I have braces, so don't judge me if this gets stuck in my braces, okay? And I'm gonna give Kiara hers, because she's gonna try it. Oh God, okay. All right, let's see. Let's see what we managed to make today, guys. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I love this dressing so much. Guys, I'm sorry. Okay. So do you guys ever eat like the Oriental salads that you can buy at H-E-B that like they already have the seasoning and stuff in them? I cannot tell you how close this is to that for me. And I miss those. I used to eat those all the time because I was trying to be healthy and I didn't know any better. So sugar tastes great, right? Well, this is completely compliant and so easy, and it tastes so good. If you want to try it, let me know. If I didn't give you the ingredients or whatever, I would love for you to try it. Anything you guys can do to keep on track, even if it's a salad, even if you have to grab a bag of romaine lettuce and just eat it with your hand, staying on track is doable. And that's what this whole program is about. It's about long term. It's about, I'm so like, do I have food in my teeth? I'm so nervous. It's about your health. It's your overall stuff. It's making things like this that are realistic in the long term that you could do on the regular. You know, you just need your staples, and things like this and that cookbook, they're things that are going to be tools that you can use forever, even if you're not doing Ideal Protein anymore. Knowing what you're eating and measuring things is really important. If you don't know what you're eating, then you can't really keep up with it. So these will be in stock soon. If you guys want them, obviously I would love for you to have them, because in my opinion this is going to save so much time and energy and stress. And plus, once you get in the habit of using it, you're gonna be able to eyeball some of this stuff and know that's exactly 2 cups. That's not enough. I'm gonna need some more, that kind of stuff. So it's just another part of this that's training your brain to think differently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I apologize if I'm a little goofy, but being in front of the camera is not always my favorite thing. So I'm learning. I hope you guys appreciate these videos. Please reach out if you have questions. We host virtual seminars, so you guys don't have to leave your house at all. We are also doing a reboot class soon, so if you would like to jump on that or have the video sent to you, please just let me know. Bye guys, have a great one.